Today I'm going to show you how to use the new NHS Service Finder on the ACE Centre website. You can use it to find an assistive technology service near you. So what you do is you come here and you enter your postcode, and this is a postcode for the North office of ACE Centre. So what you do is you type in your postcode, you click Find Services, and what this is going to do is it's going to search the list of services and let you know which services operate in your area. So here you can see that in this area the ACE Centre North operates and that they would supply me with my AAC services, and Northwest AT would provide me with EC services. If I want to learn more about these services, I can click down here and it will take me to a page where I can see where their office is, find out their contact details and visit their website. If I want to use my exact location and not have to put my postcode in, I can just click here to use my current location, and then my browser will ask for my permission and you click allow, and this will just use your geographic location. And you can see for me it's showing the services in Northern Ireland. If you ever notice any mistakes in these data, that is fine. We want you to let us know so that we can fix it. If you come down here to the frequently asked questions, you can find our correction form and you just simply submit your corrections this way and we will update the data. If you want, you can view all of our services on a map. You click up here and this will take you to a page with a map on it. You give it a few seconds to load and now you can see all of the different service areas. You can click around, you can pan, you can zoom, and you can see all of the different services. So if I wanted to know which AAC service operates in this area here, Wales, I can click on it and then it'll tell me it's the National Centre for Electronic Assistive Technology, and you can click here to go to their page. You can also toggle which services you're looking at so that you can also see the areas in which the EC services operate and the wheelchair services. If you see any errors in this data, again you just scroll down to the bottom and you can fill out our corrections form. Thanks. I hope you enjoy using our new Service Finder.